What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. As you might know, the crypto market just had a big dump. Okay, so it went from 1.2 trillion bucks to 1.11 trillion bucks. Okay, so it dropped 6.3% in the last 24 hours, which is a lot. Okay, so the current crypto market is 1.1 trillion bucks. Okay, right. So over here we can see BTC down, and we already know the key. BTC is the coin mother. Whenever BTC dumps, most likely all the other altcoins will dump as well. Okay, so we can see that BTC it's trading at 26.4K right now, ETH 1.6K, BNB 218 bucks, XRP 0.50 cents, and so on. Okay, so let's see who was the biggest winner from yesterday. Roll Bitcoin, Injective, Pumpin, Flexcoin, and that's it. Okay, and the biggest losers: ApeCoin, XRP, Littlecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Frax Share, Render, Sui, and so on. Okay, almost every single coin had a dump. And I've got an article right here. Shout out to CoinGate for this article. And they say that BTC price dump far from over. Sub 20K crash incoming. Maybe. All right. So let's see what it says. Right here, we can see that a lot of speculation about Bitcoin keep on dumping. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see what's gonna happen, and let's see if we can find. So over here we can see that we are here and is aiming for potential dump all the way to 20K. 20K, I believe it's a bit too far, but who knows? Who knows? Let's open the BTC price chart and let's see what we can see from this price chart. Okay, let's go over to the daily, and we can see that BTC was on the uptrend. Okay, and it broke the uptrend. Okay, so it just broke the uptrend and is no longer trending on the upside, right? So BTC came all the way to 24.4 roughly. Okay, and recoup a quick, damn, that was quick, 8%, right? So you recoup a quick 8% from that dump, and currently trading at 26.4. And yeah, so if BTC keeps on dumping, we might see a dump until let's say 24K. Let's call it 24K. And honestly, I don't see BTC going any lower than that. But hey, anything is possible in this damn crypto world, okay? But hopefully BTC won't go as far as 20K, because we still got two supports. We got one right here. We got to break this one, 26K. We have to break this 24K, and we also have to break this 22K before we reach this 1920K. Okay, but anything is possible, like I said to you guys. And we broke, so we were here, so we broke this 27K, we broke this 28K, we broke this 27.4K, we broke this 26K, but we quickly recouped this support level right here. Okay, so the question is how Bitcoin is going to play out for the next few days. All right, nobody really knows. It all depends on the good news. So if you have good news, some speculations about the SEC being approving ETH for the ETFs. If that's true, okay, we might see a bullish momentum on the upside. Okay, if not, BTC might retest this support line again, which is at 26K. Okay, so if you do a measurement 26 to the previous level, which was around, let's say, 28.8K, it's a 10% gain. Okay, so we quickly went from 29 to 24, so we can go back up. Okay, so that's shouldn't be a problem. We just need a bullish news to go up again. Okay. And yeah, I had a trade over here at 28K, and obviously I had a stop loss, and I got stopped out very quickly. But you know, at least I didn't get liquidated. Okay, I got stopped out. And yeah, in regards to all the other coins, they will follow Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin goes back up, you know, all the other altcoins will go back up. And there was another thing that I would like to mention, but right now I can't recall. But oh, forget it. Oh, yeah, let me show you the ETH price chart. Okay, let's check ETH price chart. So ETH is currently at 16.9. Okay, and let's go over to daily. And as you can see right here, ETH also broke the trend, the uptrend that it was going. I was expecting ETH to come over here and bounce up, okay, but it did not happen. So it went down, broke this support level, went all the way to 15. As you can see right here, it worked out perfectly. Okay. Oh no, went 15, went all, yeah, 1500s. Okay, worked out perfectly. 1500s and bounced back up. Okay, so we're now currently trading at 16.9, and we got this support level at 16.65, and this one 1500. And if it keeps on dumping, a lot of people say if might go back to 1000. I really doubt that, because we have the 1500s, we have the 1400, let's call it 13.6, and we have the 1200 prior to go all the way to 1000. Okay, or even when the bottom was here at 900 bucks. Okay, so I really don't think that ETH is gonna go that low, but you know, if it does, that would be a good buying opportunity right there. But I really doubt ETH is gonna go that low. That being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.